Hey, Dr. Maka here. Okay, how old is too old for plastic surgery? This is a very common question. And so, truly, I think everybody always kind of has their own thoughts or opinions about things, right? Like, oh, you're too old, you're going to take longer to heal. Like, says who? Like, what's their source, right? I have so many questions, but here's the thing. So this is what I find. So the oldest person I've done this surgery on, so this is on a tummy tuck post. The oldest person I've done this surgery on has been 75. Um, and what I find is that my older patients, honestly, they tend to recover a little bit better. And I'm trying to figure out why. I always talk to them about it too. I'm like, you just recovered so well. And I think part of it is like, they've just been through more life. Like they understand, like, hey, I'm going to have some pain, like, and I'm going to get through the pain. Like the mindset is different. And so you are not too old. Like, how old is too old to live your best life or to go after your dreams? Like, how old is too old? The surgery itself takes about 3.5 hours. The recovery has been great in all my patients who have been. I've had patients, in terms of age for tummy tucks. I've had 21-year-olds and I'm up to 75, right? But my patients above 50 tend to recover really well. Complication rate, thankfully, is very, very low. People just do well. A big part of it's mindset, right? And not just waiting and waiting and waiting. And then before you turn around, like, you're like, gosh, like, I could have done this or I could have done that, right? Because someone said that I was too old for this or that. It's all about you and your experience and what you're going to go through, but you're not too old at 68, still young. And you can do the surgery and you can recover well. I think the other thing I think about more is like your medical problems. So like, high blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, heart problems, right? If you're healthy and you're 68, well, being healthy is more important than your age, right? So I always say this, health is actually more important than age when it comes to plastic surgery and things like that. It's more important how well your body's taken care of. Do you exercise? Do you eat well? That's more important than age because I've seen some, 25-year-olds who are in worse condition for surgery than people who are 60 because of just how their health is managed on a day-to-day basis. So I hope this helps give you some clarity, some understanding as far as that point. But again, health is actually more important than age. And don't listen to what people say. Everybody has an opinion on anything you do, right? You could be wearing green and somebody's going to have an opinion on it. So just follow your heart, right? Because at the end of the day, it's your life. You're the one living out your dream day to day, right? Okay, I'll catch y'all later.